Hey, if you want to pair your Sony WF-C500 earbuds with any Android tablet, first of all just be sure that you input both earbuds inside the case, close this case and charge them for like 5 to 10 minutes with this USB-C port. Next, you'll have to take them out of the charging case and take a look for these indicators. In the most cases, they will start blinking like this, and we'll have to put them into the pairing mode. So how we can do this? Right here and right here you can find buttons. When you click and hold both buttons, you will have to wait until you hear notification in the earbuds and until they start blinking quickly like this. Let me show you. They will start quickly blink like this. And now you will have to go into the Bluetooth settings on your Android device, on your Android tablet, turn it on, and then from the list you will have to refresh to scan for the nearby devices. As you can see in my case, I'm gonna show you, oh never mind, I just want to show you that I just got the notification on my Android phone, but here we can already find them, so we can click on the connection, so tap on them once and accept the pairing. Click OK, and now when you are connected, you can also connect them with the mobile application. So that's the Sony headphones application. In my case, actually, it's connected to the WH-1000XM3, but you can also download this application from the Play Store. So right here, we have to go into the Play Store and search for this application, Sony headphones. Sorry for the misclick. There we go. So that's the headphones application, and you have to download it and install on your device, and after this you will unlock some additional features of these earbuds. If you don't know how to do this, I have separate video on my channel where I'm showing you step by step. And that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.